But if you want to stay healthy, then what we've got down here, this is the high-protein chocolate advent calendar for £7.98 from Cocoa Plus. So it's got 35 grams of protein in the whole calendar. So if you want to get into the Christmas spirit
It's quite a little healthy one. Can I try
exactly,
one?
yeah.
I'm going to
Pick
try
one
it,
out.
see what it tastes like. Oh, sugar. Or not, as the case may be.
It's high fibre and gluten-free chocolate. So again, if you're sticking to fitness training and you want to be a bit festive, it's a really nice little treat. Try. What do you think?
It tastes like it's...
Joyless.
Oh, it's bitter chocolate.
It's all right.
And then what we've got here is, this is from Sock Shop, because everybody always gets socks. So £79.99 from Sock Shop. There's 24 pairs of ladies and men's as well. So it's all a whole mixture in there. So then we'll move over to the family. Now, we'll start at the end here. This little advent calendar charm bracelet is from Nasim A3.
Sweet.
Love this.
Belle would like that.
£24.95. Every day you get a different charm to put on the bracelet, or you can make it into a keyring.
I love that.
So for people that are like getting a little bit older and they don't necessarily want chocolate, this is a really fun thing to do.
OK.
And then this one is Playmobil, so every day you get a different character to build the Christmas
And they're
scene.
proper-sized toys.
They're proper-sized
as well,
toys, and it's really cute because every day you can say, look, you know, you've got a new little character. You know how little ones are; they get obsessed with a bit of a character. So this is a really nice one. And then here we've got again from Hobbycraft.co.uk. This is £15. It comes just completely plain, and you decorate it yourself.
So you put all the stuff on the boxes?
You put everything on. You get the glitter, everything.
You get the glitter film.
And then you put all your treats in yourself. So basically, you're doing
glitter.
a version of that.
Don't do that. Do not do that.
Yes.
You do not do that. Don't do that.
I so want to.
Just do it.
Can
No, not do.
Yay! Very festive. Very festive. So yeah, so
shine.
this
There's
one.
just one there.
You know, people. What I can't bear is when people come up to you and just go, move your head, and then move your head like that. Move your head, move your head. Got a bit.
Glitter.
It looks like you've been kissed by fairies. That's what it is. Fairy kisses.
Well, that's
So
all right.
we've got the last one that we've got down here, which I think you would like. This one is from Not on the High Street, and it's the Reindeer Balloon Advent Calendar at £24. And every day you get to pop a balloon. Now, that freaks me out.
Oh, that's
but you would like
fun.
that.
And there's chocolate inside
There's chocolate inside that. In fact, can we get...
Where? Let's
Can we
pop
get Matty the elf?
Can you pop the balloon?
Can you come and pop the balloon for us? It's very efficient.
Go on then.
Oh.
What the hell are you doing?
Oh.
I'm scared. Don't like it.
Oh, look at that. It's a little Santa face.
See, you get a little chocolate.
Thank you. I'm going to try that one. That's
You get
sweet.
your own elf with a pin when you buy it.
And chocolate as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Elle.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right.
And thank you. Still to come. Could you help reunite a family for Christmas? We'll be taking your calls on missing people right after this short break.